Welcome to Boom Boom, where giants fall with a single boom. If you love explosions as much as we do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. We've got more epic blasts coming your way. In just seconds, a bridge that stood for decades crumbles in a perfect blast. Not just destruction, this is a farewell, powerful and precise. You are watching the flawless fall of a concrete giant. One single trigger, and thousands of tons crash down like a perfectly choreographed dance. This isn't a movie scene, it's real. And trust me, you won't want to blink. Once towering over the industrial skyline, this smokestack collapses like a giant falling tree. Every blast, every tremor, choreographed to perfection. A moment you can't look away from. The entire factory crumbles like a fallen beast, but it's not over. Seconds later, boom, an explosion erupts like a bomb, blasting away the remains in a fiery shockwave. It's the kind of moment you replay and still can't believe it's real. Once the lifeline of a bustling factory, this conveyor belt now meets its end in a thunderous explosion. No more gears, no more grinding, just dust, debris, and the echo of an industrial era crashing down. Whoa, look at that! That massive water tower was just standing there, and then boom, it tilts and crashes down like something straight out of a movie. Gave me chills, man. You can almost feel the weight of it hitting the ground. Oh man, that factory just blew up in one massive blast. And look at that, black smoke rising like a storm cloud, swallowing the sky. It looks straight up apocalyptic. That boom? Gave me chills, but I can't stop watching. Watch closely, floor by floor, it starts to tremble, and then boom, 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 multiple charges going off from the inside. That entire high-rise collapses in seconds, like a perfect domino fall. It looks effortless, but that's precision demolition at its finest. Boom! The entire factory shudders, and that massive smokestack snaps back like a giant falling tree. Smoke floods the air, steel flying everywhere. It's clean demolition, but man, it hits hard. One blast, and the ground trembles like an earthquake just hit. That towering smokestack crashes down with the force of a giant. This isn't just demolition, it's a full-on shockwave you can almost feel through the screen. One blast, and the entire factory just collapses like its legs gave out. Dust clouds everywhere, the boom shakes the air, and in seconds, it's gone. Clean, fast, and absolutely insane to watch. Whoa, look at that! The explosion hits right in the middle, and the center drops like it's being sucked into the ground. The whole structure folds in on itself, clean, brutal, and absolutely mind-blowing to watch. A moment no one ever wants to witness. As the building collapses in a planned demolition, a man is still seen hanging on the ropes outside. Within seconds, everything disappears into smoke and debris. Later, it was confirmed he didn't make it. A heartbreaking end to what was meant to be a controlled operation. Still unfinished, this building never got the chance to become what it was meant to be. In the heart of the city, it comes down in seconds, like a dream cut short. There's something oddly sad about watching something end before it even begins. Oh man, that poor industrial balloon didn't stand a chance. One big boom, and it deflates faster than a popped soda can. Smoke shoots up, and the whole thing just crumples like it gave up on life. A classic mushroom-shaped water tower is being brought down, and this is one of those rare, jaw-dropping moments. As the base gives way, the entire structure, hundreds of tons of steel and concrete, leans gracefully before collapsing in a stunning display of controlled demolition. You just can't look away.